We're on the 18th at the Graham Lang Open. Here he comes. The Graham Lang birthday invitational. Oh, we're wasting video time here, boys. This is going to run out. Oh, there's we have the audacity of Mark N.R. Ballantyne telling somebody how to play golf. Andy, could you like to comment on that? You can't possibly comment on that. Mark, here's my ball Ballantyne telling Andy Robertson where to hit it. Here it comes.
Come on, Andy.
Here it comes.
Does it feel awkward?
It feels good. Oh, it feels good, does it not? Here it comes. Wait for a splash. Oh, he melted out of that splash. Spell that.
Oh, look, he's back in.
It's done it! Oh, good, Andy.
Back on. Is it bounced off the I think the rescue cop.
That's what you call a rescue call. Look at that. Oh. Here he is, the birthday boy. Boo Weekly. Oh, that better clear the water because that's heading towards it.
It's in the beach.
We don't know where it is. We don't know where it is. But here's Coach Ballantyne. Excuse me while I laugh at that.
I hit the rubber ring.
Andy hit the rubber ring. That doesn't make him any better, no. Here it comes. Mark, left or right Ballantyne. Army Golf, his name. Here it comes. He's lining up. He's taking the backswing. And he's oh. He's cleared that. He's cleared the water. He's cleared the beach. And that's it. Back to the coaching manual for Mark Ballantyne.